Metrans, a major player in seaport container traffic in Europe, has expanded its rail services linking the growing markets of Asia and Europe. Thanks to rapid cargo transport connections from the China-Europe Express Rail project. The China-Europe Express Rail allows cargo to be delivered from China to Europe within 14 days, a fast transportation solution costing only slightly more than sea freight, but significantly lower than air freight.
We have started with the Chinese trains in 2017. First train was from Zhengzhou to Hamburg, which we are doing until now. Then was the train from Yiwu to Prague. And the most recent currently is the train from Xi'an to Czech, Slovakia, Austria. We see the significant importance for cargo going from China on the rail. We started to boost the connection to China via Malaševice. That's why we bought also the terminal in Malaševice, which is very much connected to the Silk Road. The cargo going to Hungary from China is very strong and will be much stronger due to the investments of Chinese companies in Hungary. Everything what is around Silk Road is to boost up our network, to make our network more stable and reliable for the clients. On the Silk Road, this is what we did, and for the future we see still potential for increase.
Metrans possesses 20 container terminals across Europe, with 2 more under construction. They operate some 650 trains per week and delivered 1.3 million 20-foot equivalent units last year.